I can't think. What am I supposed to?
What's up, guys? I'm just doing a backyard ride today. My trails that I never go in, so they're like all shitty. So, whoa! Almost hit a bird. Nice. So yeah, I'm always in the trails, so I'm never here. And I'm getting my license, and all my friends got their license, so I'm always gone. I did not ride all week. Oh my. It's a fun drifting machine today, hey? I'm gonna go see if the swamp is full after this bump over here. Oh, am I gonna sit? Very. I'm gonna go to the swamp. Not this side, I'm gonna go there. Nice. Sometimes I barely let off the clutch and it stalls, and my reverse is flat, man. I heard about. Come on, man. Fucking. I heard it's pretty common with Suzuki, so. My clutch is starting to go too, so it's maybe something that's with that. Okay, let's go through the swamp real quick. If it's not too wet, I'm gonna do a burnout. So. Does not look that wet, so I think I'm gonna go for a burnout. I don't want to put it in reverse. Hold the clutch in. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing a burnout right over here. Let's put it in reverse. Oh, reverse. Reverse doesn't work. All my gears doesn't work. Did I just broke it? Doesn't shift at all. Screw you, tree. Screw you, tree. Screw you, tree. Okay, my gear works, so I don't know why it did not shift at all. But something is weird in my clutch. I need to change it. But I want it to just stop working. Like I thought it just did, but okay, let's do the burnout now. Okay, perfect. Check, my gear doesn't work. Stall it again, I don't know why, but the clutch is letting go, so. Right over here. Big fat burnout, so let's go. Okay, I'm doing a burnout in the swamp. There's no water, so it's the time. Retry. My Brooks and Freight are installed it. Look at this thing. Lol. Think I'm gonna go just do the rip back home and my clutch is going out, so it's kind of a problem, eh? Oh man, I hate my clutch right now. Fuck. Like I never stall it. Like I don't know why. But recently my reverse, every time I'm in reverse, it stalls when I'm in. So I guess I'm not giving it too much gas, but I'm in tight trail, so if I give it too much gas, it's gonna stall, man. Oh, that tree fell at the wheelie spot, I think. Yeah, it fell. Nice. Another show, my iron. This is the worst spot to do a turn because it's so tight. And I'm spinning. How? How did I stall over here? I was giving full gas. I don't know why it's stalling that much. It's not me, my clutch is in. If you go check, and I'm gonna replay in the video because that's so dumb. I'm pretty sure my clutch setting out. My clutch cable's pretty fucked too, so maybe it's not pulling in like, because I just let the clutch a bit and it stalls. So I think the problem is clutch cable's too wiggly. Check. I'm giving gas and it's not even revving, so I think it's not in a play or maybe it's something. I'm back to 4 string, I think, so. That's why I hate riding in here. It's like everything hits my quad. And for some reason my quad's been acting so weirdly, it's pissing me off, man. Oh, maybe I'm gonna do. I got a fucking idea, bud. Like fuck, man, get the. Oh my god, man, I hate. Oh, that tree fell in. Never mind. I was gonna jump the ditch. I need to put it in reverse. And it's not. Oh, you kidding me, man? Get the fuck out. Fuck. Get up, man. Every time I'm in reverse, never touch it. Pissing me off so bad right now. So I'm gonna end the video here. I'm freaking pissed for some reason. It worked yesterday and now it doesn't work at all. So yeah, see you guys. Oh, see you guys later.